Welcome to the pool bacteria simulation. In this simulation, you will assess the amount of bacteria in a pool using different tests. To begin, click on the Sim tab. You will see a public pool with swimmers in it. You can adjust the number of swimmers by clicking on the up arrow to increase the number or the down arrow to decrease the number. You can perform any of the tests like finding the pH or finding the amount of chlorine in the pool water. Just click on the test you want to conduct and choose the number of swimmers in the pool. Click on the Run button to start the simulation. After the 12 hours have progressed in the simulation, you may click on the 0, 6, or 12 to view the results of the test at that time period. The results will be displayed on the lower left-hand corner. You may want to write down the results of the tests. You can hover over the swimmers in the pool to read their thoughts on the pool. After viewing the test results and reviewing the swimmers' feelings, click on a different number to see the progression of change. Note the increase or decrease of the results of each test. Click on the Reset button to start the simulation over again and to do more tests. The number of swimmers has an impact on the amount of bacteria in the pool, so try changing that factor to get different results.